Effects of 100 push-ups a day, the 1-week challenge. The push-up, a classic bodyweight exercise, has long been a staple in fitness routines. It's a straightforward yet effective way to target various muscle groups, primarily the chest, shoulders, and triceps. But what happens when you take things to the extreme and commit to doing 100 push-ups a day for a full week? In this video, we'll explore the potential effects of this challenging 1-week push-up challenge. The week exercise at a glance. Day 1, the start. On day 1, you're pumped and ready to take on the challenge. After completing your first set of 100 push-ups, you already start feeling the burn in your chest and arms. Muscle soreness is inevitable, but it's a sign that your muscles are being challenged. Day 2 to 3, increased soreness. As you continue the challenge, muscle soreness becomes more pronounced. You may even notice difficulty performing everyday tasks that involve your upper body, like reaching for objects on high shelves. It's crucial to focus on maintaining proper form to prevent injury. Day 4 to 5, adaptation begins. Around day 4 or 5, your body starts to adapt to the daily push-up routine. While you might still feel sore, you may notice improved endurance and the ability to perform push-ups with slightly less discomfort. Day 6, the hump. The 6th day is often a pivotal point. By now, your body has adjusted to the challenge and your form has likely improved. You may even feel a sense of accomplishment for making it this far. Day 7, reflection. On the final day of the challenge, you reflect on the past week. You've completed 700 push-ups in total, a feat that requires mental and physical strength. You've likely built some muscle endurance and improved your push-up form. Potential effects. 1. Muscle soreness and recovery. The most immediate effect of doing 100 push-ups a day is muscle soreness. This discomfort arises as your muscles adapt to the increased workload. Adequate rest, proper nutrition, and hydration are essential to help your muscles recover. 2. Strength and endurance. Over the course of the week, you may experience improvements in both strength and endurance. Your chest, shoulders, and triceps will be more engaged, leading to better upper body strength. Additionally, you'll likely notice that you can perform more push-ups with less fatigue as the week progresses. 3. Limited muscle growth. While 1 week of intense push-ups can lead to muscle engagement and toning, significant muscle growth typically requires more time and progressive overload. To build substantial muscle, it's essential to continue with a structured resistance training program over an extended period. 4. Risks and considerations. It's important to note that such an intense and sudden increase in exercise can carry risks. Overuse, injuries, strain, and joint issues are possible if you push your body too hard without adequate rest and recovery. Please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more health updates.